If you're thinking of getting a mannequin, stay with me and I'll show you how to use mine. These mannequins are really useful whether you sew for yourself or for people as well, because you can adjust them, and sometimes when you sew for yourself it's difficult to take measurements or to see how everything's going, if something is twisted or not, so they are ideal. When they gave it to me for my birthday, I was already pregnant, so I haven't used it yet. So I'm going to start by making a slip dress, a really easy dress in purple, well, lavender. This one is adjustable, so it has little wheels to adjust your measurements. They come in inches and centimeters. So the first thing is going to be taking measurements, of course. And apart from that, on the leg, it also has measurements, so you can know how tall it is. 90 centimeters bust and 76 centimeters waist. If you have doubts about where your waistline is, you just have to bend to the size and there it is. Now we're ready. So I got this fabric at the market. It was only €2. I could have got more really. And I'm going to make just a slip dress, something really simple, so you see how easy it is. I'm going to cut it so I have front and back. I've ironed it so it's not creased, and let's start. So we're going to put the fabric on top, and basically that's how you start draping your garment. So we can open the neckline so we can do it nicely on the shoulder area. The good thing about this is that you can even put your fabric on the wrong side, so when you have darts or anything, they're already on the right side you want them. So let's start. And now I'm going to shape the armhole area and down this middle. Well, the good thing about this is like it's really creative because you can do almost wherever you want, and apart from that it's quite easy because you have the base and from this you decide what you want. So it's really fun and like intuitive. Of course, I'm going to leave you the link for the mannequin in the description down below. And if you're new around here, consider subscribing, hyping, liking, and all of the INGs you can do so you don't miss anything. And now really carefully, I'm going to get rid of all the pins except for the dart ones, which is the first thing I'm going to sew, following the shoulder seams and then the side seams, adding a zip on one of the sides. And with one side seam done, you can even try it on to see how you're going. And because I'm going to add an invisible zip, I'm going to use the foot that is good for this. It makes everything so much easier. And I'm going to open the zip and then twist it so the little dents aren't on the edge of the dress. And after making sure that my zip opens and closes nicely, I'm going to finish that side seam with a normal zip presser foot. Of course, you can finish the neckline and armhole areas with facings, but let's keep it simple today, and then on the next one we'll do that. And for the slits that finish the side seams, I'm going to just open and make a double hem, and that's how they go. And this is the final result. It's a nice comfy dress, it's a statement piece, it won't go out of fashion ever, and you can dress it up or down depending on the occasion. I really like the hemming line because it's asymmetrical. The front is shorter than the back, just because when I placed the panel it was a bit further up. But you can make creative things out of these little accidents, which is amazing. So let me know down in the comments what you thought, if you like this idea, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss anything. Bye! Is it okay? That's
Yeah.
it. Don't go far.